Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to my Nourishing Care and Education YouTube channels. My name is Pradeep Pradhan, and today I'm going to explain you milestone versus pediatrics. This is one of the most important golden key points from pediatrics. Today I'm going to discuss about nursing in the mega preparations. The topic is milestone versus pediatrics. The first point is cross meter. And it is basically hold hand steady slightly while sitting at 2 months, no head lag and cell discovery of hands at 3 months, asymmetric tonic neck reflex disappear at 4 months, sit with support at 6 months, sit without support 7 to 8 months, standing with support 9 months, standing without support 10 to 12 months, walking without support 13 to 15 months, feeding cell with spoon 12 to 15 months, running at 18 months, climbing upstairs 20 to 24 months, take shoes and sock off 15 to 18 months, put shoes and socks on and 24 months, dress oneself fully 3 to 4 years, control bowel and bladder at daytime 2 years, control bowel and bladder at night time 3 years, no full name and sex 3 years, riding tricycle at 3 years, and if we discuss about fine motor, then grass rattle 3.5 months, palmar grass disappear, reaches for object 4 months, object are transferred from hands to hands 5.5 months, thumbs finger grasp at 8 months, turn page of the book at 12 months, scribbles at 13 months, build tower of 2 cubes at 15 months, build tower of 6 cubes 22 months. And if we discuss about communication language, then the child develops smile at 1.5 months, monosyllable babbles at 6 months, follow one step command with gesture 7 months, follow one step command without gesture at 10 months. If we discuss about point to object, speak fast to fast real word at 12 months, speak 4 to 6 words at 15 months, speak 10 to 15 words at 18 months, speak two words with two words with meaning at 12 months, speak 10 words with meaning 18 months, tell simple sentence at 24 months, tell a story at 36 months. If we discuss about cognitive function, stare momentarily at spot and where the object disappear at 2 months, cell discovery causes effect at 4 months, bang to 2q uncover toy which is hidden at 18 months, 8 months, and egocentric symbolic play at 12 months, use stick to reach toy and pretends to play with doll at 17 months. These are the milestone. This is very important because most of the time this type of question are asking in the central level, that maybe your AIMS, GPR or Kerala PC, any central level of exam, and many time asked questions from milestone. So it is very important. Let's connect with me, and I will. I'm CEO. It's guarantee that it will save your same process mind. So let's repeat and summarize this topic at this point again. Okay, the first one is hold hand steady slightly while sitting. It is basically found at 2 months. 2 months. Hold hand steady slightly while sitting 2 months. Okay, no head leg and self discovery of hands, that's 3 months. Asymmetrical tonic neck reflex disappear. Okay, neck reflex disappear, asymmetrical tonic neck reflex disappear at 4 months. If we discuss about seat, the seat with support, seat with support 6 months, sit without support 7 to 8 months, and standing with support 9 months, standing without support 10 to 12 months. That is the from sitting to standing 6 to 12, 6 to 12, that is 6 months sit without support, 7 to 8 months sit without support, sit with support 6 months, and sit without support 7 to 8 months. Okay, standing with support 9 months, standing without support 10 to 12 months. If we discuss about walking, then walking without support 13 to 15 months, and feeding self with spoon, that is 2 to 12 to 15 months. If you discuss about running, then baby develops baby can run by 18 months. Okay, then climbing of stair, that is 20 to 24 months, and the baby takes shoes and sock of 15 to 18 months. Put shoes and socks on 24 months. Dress once a fully 3 to 4 years. Control bowel and bladder at daytime 2 years. Okay, daytime 2 years and nighttime 3 years. Control bowel and bladder at night and 3 years. It's very important question. Control bowel and bladder at daytime 2 years and nighttime 3 years. Okay, and the no full name and sex at 3 years. Riding tricycle 3 years. Okay, riding tricycle 3 years. Okay, next we discuss about fine motor activity. The grass rattle 3.5 months, palmar grass disappear, reaches for object 4 months, object are transferred from hands to hand 5.5 months, thumb's finger grabs 8 months, turn the page of book 12 months, scribble 13 months, build the tower of 2 cubes 15 months, 6Q 22 months. Okay, if we discuss about communication language, then the baby develops smile at 1.5 months, monosyllabic babbles at 6 months, follow one step command with gesture 7 months, and follow one step command without gesture, and that is mom, dad, this is at 10 months. Okay, the points to object discuss speak fast real word 12 months, speaks 4 to 6 word at 15 months, 10 to 15 words 18 months, and speak 2 word with meaning, that is 12 months, speak 10 word with meaning 18 months, tell simple sentence 24 months, tell story at 36 months. Okay, if we discuss about cognitive stress momental at spot where the object disappear 2 months, self-discovery causes and effect 4 months, banks and 2Q uncover toy which was hidden 8 months, egocentric symbol play 12 months, and use stick to reach toy and pretend to play with doll at 17 more. So these are the milestone versus pediatrics. So I hope you understand, because these questions are very important and many times in the questions in the in previous in this paper. So please study, and we also give the link of this topic in the descriptions. This is the free website link. So if you are not subscribed our channel, just make subscribe, because this channel help you too much, because every day we post 2 classes, from one classes from nursing makeup preparation, and another class from all previous nursing interest paper. So please guys, make subscribe and share to friends, and if it is helpful, please comment me, and you can also suggest me, you comment me what topic I have to make also post video. Okay, thank you.